Hey everyone, Ken from SIGA here today, and we are going to talk about common mistakes when using Wigluv. First common problem we see when installing Wigluv is people overstretching the tape, which can cause it to want to retract because Wigluv does have a memory, and we don't want this to cause long-term bonding issues on your project. The second most common problem we see is not enough pressure on the tape after install. These are acrylic tapes with pressure-sensitive adhesive, and you need to roll them. Always roll the tape. Number 3 is not properly preparing your substrate. Doesn't matter how perfectly you install Wigluv, if the substrate is wet or dirty, the Wigluv just won't stick. Fourth common error we see is when installing Wigluv around corners, not leaving enough extra room on your Wigluv to avoid snagging the backing paper when peeling it off. Fifth common mistake we see when using Wigluv is removing these white rondelles from the edge of the tape. Doing so can allow dirt to accumulate here, and also, it's going to stick where you don't want it to. One of the last common mistakes we see installers do when using Wigluv as a window flashing is cutting perpendicular to the fold rather than along the fold. All right, everyone, I've given you a lot of tips and tricks on how to avoid common mistakes when using Wigluv so that you can have a successful build. Now, I don't want to see you making these mistakes again.